Hi friends, today we are going to see an interesting topic in our video. Come on, let's see. The city of Pompeii is famous because it was destroyed in 79 AD when a nearby volcano Mount Vesuvius erupted, covering it in at least 19 feet, that is 6 meters, of ash and other volcanic debris. The city's quick burial preserved it for centuries before its ruins were discovered in the late 16th century. The massive eruption of Vesuvius engulfed Herculaneum and nearby Pompeii, where up to 20,000 people lived. The remains of about 1,500 people have been found. Pompeii has often been referred to as Sin City, as the Romans committed many unjust and evil crimes which led many to believe the disaster was a punishment of God to the Romans for their doings. In 2020, researchers discovered black glassy material inside the skull of a young man who died during the Vesuvius eruption, and they speculated that it was a fossilized brain but didn't know how it had formed. Scientists have discovered that his brain was preserved when it's turned to glass in an extremely hot cloud of ash. The process of glass formation requires very specific temperature conditions and rarely occurs naturally. For a substance to turn to glass, there must be a huge temperature difference between the substance and its surroundings. The young man's brain in Herculaneum was transformed into glass due to extreme heat and rapid cooling process called vitrification. No other parts of the man's body are believed to have turned a glass. Only material containing some liquid can turn to a glass. That means the bones could not have vitrified. Other soft tissues like organs were likely destroyed by the heat before they could cool down enough to turn to glass. The scientists believe the skull gave some protection to the brain. The fragments of glass brain found by range from 1 to 2 centimeter to just few millimeters in size were found. It is the only known case of human tissue or any organ material turning to glass naturally. This is a unique finding. Thanks for watching. Every day is a blessing and every blessing is a miracle.